Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're checking out something truly extraordinary. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This beast combines the power of a legendary semi-truck with the luxury of a high-end RV. Buckle up, because this is not your average motorhome. Just look at this thing. The Kenworth W900 is already an icon in the trucking world, and now it's been transformed into a motorhome that screams both power and comfort. Under the hood, you get a massive PACCAR MX-13 engine pushing out up to 510 horsepower, ensuring you can tow just about anything while cruising down the highway like a king. This rig rides on a heavy-duty chassis built for long hauls, so you're getting a smooth yet commanding driving experience. Plus, with an automatic transmission option, even those not used to handling a big rig can get comfortable behind the wheel. Inside the cockpit, Kenworth hasn't held back. You get an ultra-modern dash with a digital instrument cluster, an advanced infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and air-cushioned leather seats that make long drives a dream. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling five-star hotel. Now, stepping into the living space, you can instantly tell this isn't your standard RV. You get premium leather couches, real wood cabinetry, and a spacious layout that makes it feel more like a luxury apartment. Check this out. The kitchen is fully equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and plenty of counter space. Whether you're making a quick snack or a full-course meal, this setup has you covered. And when it's time to rest, the bedroom doesn't disappoint. With a king-sized bed, soft-touch ambient lighting, and ample storage, this is a true home away from home. The bathroom is just as impressive, featuring a full-size shower, premium fixtures, and a stylish vanity. No cramped spaces here. This motorhome is all about comfort. On the outside, you've got multiple storage compartments, an automatic awning, an outdoor entertainment system, and even an optional built-in BBQ station. Perfect for those long road trips and campsite gatherings. So, who is the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome for? If you love the open road, need serious towing power, and want all the luxury of a high-end RV, this is the ultimate setup. Of course, it comes with a hefty price tag, but for those who can afford it, this is a dream come true. Let me know in the comments. Would you take this beast on a cross-country adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review here on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one!